In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Odoo POS. To get started, log into your Odoo dashboard and click on Point of Sale. This will take you into the POS area, where you can access the main tools and information you need to manage your sales activity. If you are new to this section, don't worry, because the layout is designed to be simple and easy to understand. Once you're inside, you'll see your point of sale data displayed on the dashboard. This area gives you a quick overview of what's happening in your POS environment. Depending on your setup, this dashboard can help you keep track of activity at a glance, which is useful before making any changes or reviewing transactions. At the top left, you'll find the main tools available in the point of sale section. This is where most of your navigation will happen, so it's a good idea to get familiar with this area first. The tools are organized clearly, making it easier to move between different parts of the system without getting lost. You'll notice that the options are divided into several key sections: orders, products, reporting, and configuration. Each one serves a different purpose. Orders is where you can review sales-related activity. Products is where you can work with the items connected to your POS. Reporting helps you review performance and sales information. Configuration is where you can adjust settings to better match the way your business operates. Within these sections, you can manage orders, payments, sessions, and customers. This means you can review transactions, look at payment-related details, manage selling sessions, and check customer information, all from within the POS area. Having these tools grouped together makes day-to-day management much more convenient. From here, the best next step is to go through each section one by one and get used to the interface. Take a little time to click through the available menus and see how everything is laid out. Odoo POS is built with a straightforward design, so exploring it directly is one of the easiest ways to learn. As you do that, you can also adjust the options you want based on your workflow or business needs. The main goal at this stage is simply to become comfortable with where things are and how the sections connect. Once you know where to find your orders, products, reports, and configuration settings, using Odoo POS becomes much easier and more efficient. And that's all for this video.